Bridgnorth Locomotive Yard. It's used daily for steam locomotive servicing and maintenance. It's the only way to access the locomotive works by rail. It's vital to the Severn Valley Railway's ability to operate. The track here was laid in the 1970s using second-hand materials. Through extensive care, it's lasted 50 years, much longer than expected. However, it's rapidly approaching the end of its life. The SVR desperately needs £500,000 to help restore the yard so the railway can continue running.
The track working points in the yard here are very badly worn and urgently need replacing. Here you can see where the drainage has failed and the water's not getting away. It affects the sleepers, they rot, and it also affects the rails by rusting.
As the track condition deteriorates, we'll notice more and more increased problems with the springing on the locomotives, which adds an unnecessary cost and also a safety element in terms of changing springs on the steam locomotives. So the more efficient yard we've got, it's a lot more better for the coaling, the water and the locos, and ensuring they're on and off passenger trains at the right time.
We've developed a robust plan in several phases around the railway's operations and with the railway's future in mind.
We must start the restoration work in early 2023 to deliver the first, most critical phase of the project. This will address the main station turnout and the crossover from the main running line. This prepares the way for the remaining phases of the project. We'll replace further turnouts, relay all the plain line, and install upgraded drainage. We'll create a locomotive inspection pit to increase safety. And we'll carry out works to future-proof the yard, with the potential for a turntable and an extension to Platform 2, which would help reduce costs later. Could you help us restore the yard and keep the SVR's locomotives from grinding to a halt? Donate today at svrtrust.org.uk.